Hey everyone, Ado Air. Carbon is a bike that stands out for its exceptional design and performance, particularly in the realm of compactness and high-end features. Constructed from carbon fiber, the Air Carbon is an incredibly lightweight bike, weighing only 12 kilos, which is half the weight of similar bikes made from aluminum or magnesium alloys. One of the most striking features of the Ado Air Carbon is its seamless carbon frame, including the fork, which contributes to its overall lightness and durability. In terms of functionality, the Ado Air Carbon boasts a belt drive system instead of a traditional chain, which not only reduces maintenance needs, but also offers a quieter and smoother ride. The bike is powered by a 256-watt motor and a 9.6 amp-hour battery, complying with regulations while providing ample assistance for cycling. The battery is cleverly integrated into the seat tube, and there's a convenient ignition button on the saddle tube. Additionally, the bike features hydraulic disc brakes for efficient stopping power. The torque sensor ensures a smooth and responsive ride, particularly helpful when tackling hills or challenging terrain. Additionally, while the bike is designed for riders of various heights, it may not be ideal for taller individuals above 1.85 meters. While it lacks an accelerator, it compensates with a reliable torque sensor integrated into the crankset. This setup enables the bike to reach a real speed of 25 km per hour on flat terrain, with some variance due to individual riding styles. During testing, the bike demonstrated its capability to handle hills with ease. The torque sensor, coupled with the well-balanced gearing, allows for smooth hill climbs without exerting excessive energy. Braking is another area where the Ado Air Carbon excels. Equipped with hydraulic disc brakes, the bike offers precise and efficient stopping power. This braking system ensures a quick and controlled halt, even from maximum speeds, contributing to a safe riding experience. Regarding battery performance, the battery housed inside the seat tube provides a decent range. While manufacturer claims may suggest nearly 100 kilometers of range, real-world usage may vary based on factors such as rider weight, terrain, and assistance level. However, for daily commuting or recreational rides, the battery offers sufficient autonomy. In summary, the Ado Air Carbon impresses with its lightweight carbon fiber frame, responsive motorization, and efficient braking system. While there are areas for improvement, such as the absence of certain accessories like end guards and a kickstand, the overall performance and design of the bike make it a compelling option for riders seeking a blend of style, performance, and convenience in an electric bike. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day, and God bless you.